I like to describe myself as standing between the abuse of personal power, corporate power, government power, and the individual.
How do you find the right lawyer for your case? We're going to talk to attorney Wayne Parsons about that on today's Ask the Lawyer. Wayne, thanks for joining us.
Good to be here.
Great to see you. So can you tell us the type of law you practice and how long you've been representing clients in Hawaii?
I help people put their lives back together after they've suffered some losses, usually through injuries that have sort of stopped everything from going forward. Sometimes people die, of course, and all the consequences of that, but there are injuries that have just derailed them from working, from conducting their normal daily activities, and putting them in doctor's offices all the time as opposed to their normal life. I like to describe myself as standing between the abuse of personal power, corporate power, government power, and the individual. That's what I've done for 40 years, and I do that in the justice system. I like to remind my clients that the judiciary, the courthouses are the people's branch of government. We have independent judges who are sitting there and hearing cases. It's not affected by political lobbying or power, who's got what. When we started the country, when the United States was formed, the saying used to be, but this is back at the time of the Constitution and the formation of the government, that in the United States you can sue the king. You couldn't do that in Britain. And the king and the royalty and the people who actually ran the country were immune from being ever called to task. In the United States, you can sue the king. You can sue the United States government. You can sue the president of the United States. And there are limitations on that. But in a lot of the situations where an individual has been harmed by abusive government action, there are remedies in the court system. That's what I do.
So, well, we always appreciate your expertise, Wayne. Thank you so much for joining us again today.
Good to be here. Have a great day.
All right. Aloha, Wayne. And that's going to do it for this episode of Ask the Lawyer. My guest has been Wayne Parsons. If you want to ask Wayne any questions about your situation, call the number on the screen there. Thanks for watching. I'm Tom Mustin for Ask the Lawyers.